Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to have a demonstration or discussion of scientific notation. In context, scientific notation is a form of writing large or small numbers. Here are some examples of the usage of scientific notation. First one is a large amount of mass. The mass of the Earth. The mass of the Earth is 5.97 times 10 raised to 24 kilogram. Or we could say that this is the standard form of that scientific notation. So this is the scientific notation, this is the standard form. So next, on small amount of number, we could say that 1 times 10 raised to negative 13 grams, or this is now the standard form of that number. Let's have now converting standard notation to scientific notation. Have some tip. The tips are: be mindful of the place value. Moving decimal point to the left is for the large number, and moving decimal point to the right is small numbers. So we'll have now some example on the next slides. Let's have this example. Convert this number to 2,370,857,901 to scientific notation. Now, first thing to do is to write the number. So once again, that's 2,370,857,901. Now, you get to know your decimal place. So that's the decimal point rather. And then move that to the left. So 1. So there's the movement of the decimal point. And then you can write now the number. So that's 2.37. Now you count now the number of movements. So we'll count that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you can write now times 10 because every movement is equivalent to times 10 because of the place value. And then raise the number. So that is why there is 9. So the conversion of that 2,370,857,901 is 2.37 times 10 raised to 9. Here's another example. So we have now 0.000745, the scientific notation. But what you need to do is to rewrite again the given. So move the decimal place to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the first non-zero digit. So 7 is the first non-zero digit. So we can write now 7.45. Then count the number of movement. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can now write times 10 raised to negative 4. The negative would work on that is a small number. That's why it was put there on the negative. Let's have another case now. From scientific notation to standard form. So we have 2.31 times 10 raised to 5 to standard notation. So once again, you write now the number 2.31, and then you move na the decimal place based on the exponent of the 10 raised to 5. So this is now there are 5 movements, so we can write that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you put now zeros through the to the movement. So I got 3 zeros. So you can now write that as a number as 231,000. Let's have this example. 1.23 times 10 raised to negative 4 to standard form. So right now the number 1.23, move the decimal point to the base to the exponent. So it's 4. Disregard the sign. So we have that going. No, however, the sign would give you the direction. It's going. If it's negative, it's going to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for the missing places, you put now zeros. And then there's the time they put now your decimal and then another zero as your units digit. So we can convert that as 0.0000123. I hope you learned something about scientific notation. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.